in celebration and at this time our guests were coming.
चंदन पवित्रम नित्यम लक्ष्मी हरि ओम दीर्घायुत्वाय बलाय वर्चसे सुप्रजायुत्वाय सहसा अथो जीव शरदः शतम् चंदन ब्रह्मा करो दीर्घायु विष्णुस्य सर्वसंपदां हरौ रक्षन्तु गात्राणि दाटे तिलकीकृतम्
बस है ना बस
The goddess of knowledge, Om Arpata, at this celebration, I request our guests, honorable guests, to offer flowers and lay the lamp. I request our guests, please come and offer our Lord in the temple.
अंग्रेजी पखवाड़े के समापन कार्यक्रम के अवसर पर मानव का आगमन हो चुका है विद्यालय में। स्टैंडवा से हमारे बबलिंग करने लगती है, बबलिंग करने लगती है, दबाव पड़ता है ना, तब खराब हो जाएगा मोबाइलिया हमारा।
Noble heart beat under a shabby garment. In this serial, for introduction, I request
ये काम तो आप
Mr.
कर
Paul
रहे
Kumar
हैं।
Dixit ji, senior lecturer, please come and introduce our guest, stage guest.
इसके निबंधित सामने क्यों ऑन किया? हाँ?
गौरव सरस्वती ओम भारत माता honorable guest, respected principal and my dearest colleague, I have presented myself to here to introduce about our guest. You have great youth here to know about the personalities who were participating in the program. Very first, I am going to introduce the special guest, Dr. Mamta Gupta. She is the Associate Professor of Arkansas Degree College, Murthyganj, Allahabad, or Prayag. Just beside her are Honorable Chief Guest Satyamada Singh. She is the Associate Professor of CMP Degree College. She has been the Chief Proctor of CMP Degree College. She belongs to a very learned family. As you know, her uncle, Professor Amar Singh, was also the professor of Allahabad University. Fortunately, he had taught me when I was in university in 1980. Just beside her are chairperson of this program, Sri Nagen Jaiswal. He is retired Joint Registrar of Honorable High Court. He is dedicated volunteer of ISS. He performs many important duties in RSS. He was Vibhag Karwa and of Prayag. He was the Pram Seva Guru in RSS. Just beside him, our honorary principal Shri Yugal Kishore Mishra ji, under whose guidance our school is getting progress day by day. Now I request Mr. Sanjay Rai to pursue the programs ahead. Just 1 minute. I have got something. I requested my honorable principal to honor the chief guest, Satyamada Singh, with gift. After that, I requested the vice principal of college, Shri Deepak Yadav ji, to honor the special guest by offering a gift.
Scout Tal.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. We are very glad to find such great personality among us. They are the legends, they are the harbingers and inheritors of English language and literature, I think. So,
थोड़ी आवाज़ कम कर
we convey our
फट रही है
deep respect and reverence to our guests. After that, I would like to invite Mr. K.P. Singh, our senior lecturer, to present the preface of the program.
Most merciful Goddess Saraswati, Brahmalai Om, Bharat Mata, Honorable President of His Assembly, Mr. Nagin Jaiswal ji, retired Joint Registrar of High Court, Chief Guest, Mrs. Satyamada Singh, learned personality of CMP College, Professor Mamta Gupta ji from Kanya Dean College. You are most welcome in this assembly and we are much grateful to all of you. And my honorable principal, dear staff. Today is the last day of English week. This English week had started from 9th October 2020. On that day, Dr. Suman Singh from PPN, Associate Professor from PPN College, has started this program through online. On 10 October, Dr. D.P. Singh, Associate Professor of Government Degree College, Pratapgarh, has given us his views. On 12 October, Dr. Jaya Kapoor from Allahabad University has given her prestigious thoughts and ideas to us. On 13th October, Mr. Akhilesh Jaiswal, Principal of KP Jaiswal Inter College, has given us his views on this occasion. On 15th October, Dr. Krishnavir Singh Sakya, member of Uttar Pradesh Public Service Commission, has given us his most talented speech, and today the last day of this ceremony. Now I want to say that why we conduct, and first of all I want to tell you that my honorable principal has given me this responsibility of organizing this program. His blessing, complete this program. My dear staff, I want to tell you that main motto of conducting this program is to motivate our students, to motivate our faculty in such conditions so that they can be able to achieve their goal of life. Except this, I want to tell you that in the last days, we have conducted a number of competitions like handwriting competitions, essay writing competition, speech competition in our school, and winner students have arrived here. They will be rewarded by our chief guest. And as you know that change is the law of nature. We are, according to Aristotle, man is a social animal. Being social animal, it is your liability, it is your responsibility to improve the society in which we are living. My chief guest and special guest, I want to tell you that my college, Jawahar Ravi Saraswati Vidya Mandir College, is conducted under the rule and process of UP government. And in spite of being Hindi medium college, in my English subject, highest mark in high school 99 out of 100, 96 in intermediate class, in the last few years. But we can say it is the most enthusiastic effort of our English team who has given such good result. It is our liability that to motivate our students so that they can be able to choose their aim of life. We should visualize our class as a ship, and we are as a captain of that class ship. Under the proper and competent guidance of our class ship is running. And if our guidance is suitable, if our guidance is proper, after then we are sure that our products must be in full gloomy condition. Except this, I want to say that our student should select the proper aim of life. According to S. Radhakrishnan, the aim which was good centuries ago, it is not possible that it may be good today in the changing generation. As we know that it is an age of globalization, and in such age the importance of English is too much necessary. Without I want to assure you that all the technologies, all the unit that technical skills are based on English. I respect all my subjects, but whereas the matter of English is too much necessary for the development of thought, mental development of our students. Our teacher, we are teachers. If you want to become an ideal teacher, our teaching must be based on intellectualism, spiritualism, and morality, truthness. And we should also follow two lines in our life: punctuality and regularity. If we are ourselves punctual, if our ourselves regular towards our duty, after then automatically our students, our products will be good. Therefore, my dear staff, I want to say that if you want to make a great nation, as you know that the children of present time will be the citizen of tomorrow. We are living in democratic country. When I was in high school in 1982, my honorable civics teacher had taught me definition of Abraham Lincoln. Democracy is the government of the people, for the people, and by the people. It means we are democratic people, and being in living in such country, we are free to do what we like, what we wish to do. and our students are our everything. We should devote ourselves towards the progress of, towards the, you may say that, development of our students. Our teaching, I mean that a real teacher and ideal teacher just like a painter. As a painter painted his painting in such skill to look in marvelous condition. In the same way, we are painter. If we want to adjust ourselves in our college, after then we should try to maintain discipline. We should try to maintain good ideas among our students, and after then our college, our students will become good. And this occasion we are much grateful to get such personality among us who will give us their views. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Now I would like to request Mr. Nagendra sir to honor the students who occupied their place in English writing competition. जूनियर वर्ग प्ले प्रतियोगिता का जो रिजल्ट आया उसमें लिया अनिल कुमार सन ऑफ अवधेश कुमार सर की फर्स्ट प्लेस। तो प्लीज अनिल कुमार सन ऑफ अवधेश कुमार क्लास 7B फर्स्ट। सेकंड प्लेस Mr. Shivam Trivedi, son of Vidyadhar Trivedi, 6B. Second place. Third place, Mr. Piyush Mishra, son of Rajesh Kumar Mishra, class 8A.
I request honorable guest to honor the students who have taken their place in writing competition.
शिवम द्विवेदी
खड़े रहिए वहीं खड़े रहिए।
आगे किशोर वर्ग स्लेट प्रतियोगिता जो हुई थी उसमें शशांक शेखर त्रिपाठी, मिस्टर शशांक शेखर त्रिपाठी, सन ऑफ पारसनाथ त्रिपाठी 9B फर्स्ट। सुमित कुमार सन ऑफ स्वर्गीय संतोष कुमार
Welcome,
9B सेकंड। पुष्पराज यादव सन ऑफ विनोद कुमार यादव क्लास 10A थर्ड। फर्दर मिस्टर नितेश सिंह तरुण में मिस्टर नितेश सिंह सन ऑफ जय सिंह 11A फर्स्ट प्लेस। नाइस यादव सन ऑफ विजयशंकर यादव 12E सेकंड प्लेस। और थर्ड प्लेस पे है आदर्श गौड़ सन ऑफ विक्रम गौड़।
इधर से लीजिए ना।
नितेश सिंह son of Jesse, 11th A.
बढ़िया आ रहा है। ये देखिए फोटो खींचे।
ठीक है, अगले टर्म में मिस्टर श्रेयांश तिवारी, ये कैसे रैंक कंपटीशन का है। मिस्टर श्रेयांश तिवारी सन ऑफ संजय प्रकाश तिवारी।
I request my friends, welcome by clapping.
मिस्टर श्रेयांश तिवारी सन ऑफ संजय प्रकाश तिवारी, 8th A फर्स्ट। सत्यम सिंह कुशवाहा सन ऑफ राम सिंह कुशवाहा, सेकंड। 7th B आयुष मौर्य सन ऑफ संताल मौर्य, 8th A थर्ड।
आयुष ये आदर्श को
यही आ रहा है वो।
भाषण प्रतियोगिता में जो नाम बताया वो है विजय तन्मय केशरवानी सन ऑफ राजेश कुमार केशरवानी, क्लास 10th A फर्स्ट। शिवांश सिंह सन ऑफ तेज प्रताप सिंह, क्लास 9th A सेकंड।
श्रेयांश तिवारी
कृष्णकांत पांडे सन ऑफ अरुण कुमार पांडे, क्लास 9C।
Welcome by clapping.
भैया श्रेयांश तिवारी सन ऑफ संजय प्रकाश तिवारी, क्लास 8th A
है यहाँ पर है।
समान। सत्यम सिंह कुशवाहा सन ऑफ राम सिंह कुशवाहा, सेकंड। आयुष मौर्य सन ऑफ सतलाल मौर्य, थर्ड प्लेस। All the students are requested to come on stage.
भैया आयुष मौर्य
आप इधर आ जाओ।
And after that,
खड़े खड़े हो जाइए सामने ले लीजिए। हाँ भैया
हाँ
Thank you. And
after that, तन्मय केशरवानी सन ऑफ राजेश कुमार केशरवानी, क्लास 10th A। शिवांश सिंह सन ऑफ तेज प्रताप सिंह, 9th A।
सर्टिफिकेट्स दिखाओ।
कृष्णकांत पांडे सन ऑफ अरुण कुमार पांडे, 9C थर्ड प्लेस। ओके,
in this environment we are very happy and our students are very happy to receive their rewards
एक बोतल में सैनिटाइजर भर के ले आओ।
and
सैनिटाइजर भर के लाओ।
lot of thanks to the guests for giving this awards certificate.
thank you so much, sir. After that, I would like to invite our respected chief guest to guide us in the sense, Professor Satyamata Singh, respected chief guest. She is humbly requested to come on the stage and guide us with her blessings, with her prestigious speech on the occasion of English Week. As you know that we want to know something about the importance and utility of English language and literature in the 21st century. I hope she will bless all of us. Thank you.
Respected Principal, Mr. Yugol Kishore Mishra ji and Nagin Jaiswal ji, who was the ex-joint registrar of the Allahabad High Court,
आवाज़ दीजिए।
and all my colleagues who are sitting in front of me, I am filled with respect and love and honor for this institution. And I have been very closely associated to this premises. I would like to say that as a young child, I used to come behind this college to Dada's house, catching the fingers of my uncle. I visited this premises often. And I am proud here to tell you that today I am standing here to address this class of educationists who have inculcated values in their children. The basic need of the hour is that you have to produce good human beings. The rest will come in its own course. So this is what I am seeing in this college after meeting these children. And I have a staff in my house, he is also from the High Court, whose 3 sons are being educated over here. And I am happy to know that they are doing very well and they are being looked after in a very good manner. Now, as my name suggests, I am a teacher of English literature, teaching since 35 years, and my name is Satyam Vada. It is a Sanskrit name. The person who had given me the name was my uncle. He was a professor of English literature in the Allahabad University, Professor Amar Singh. Whenever my name is taken, people smile a little and say, "You are teaching English and your name is of Sanskrit." One who speaks the truth. Satyam Vada, which has been taken from the Sanskrit word Satyam Vada. So I am Satyam Vada, who speaks the truth. So today when I stand in front of you, in front of my colleagues, I will speak the truth that yes, English is a necessity. It is not a necessity of the 21st century. It was the necessity from the 18th and the 19th century. My grandmother, she belonged to the family of Raja Balrampur, and you will be astonished to know that the English lady, because the women would not go out of the houses at that time. I am talking about 1820, 1830. The women were not allowed out of the house. So English lady used to come inside the house to teach English. Now English belonged at that time to the elite class who had the resources to get teachers, who had the resources to employ them. She was at that time a very well-schooled, a very well-educated lady, but she had a leaning for Indian literature. When we were small, when we started learning English, we used to talk. I have an elder sister and a younger sister. We are 3 sisters. So we used to sometimes think that if we talk in English in front of her, she won't be able to understand, but she used to smile. And she used to
कमर टाइट हो गई एकदम।
So English was always relevant. English language is a platform for communication. And today, as we are developing into a global world, a global village, our children are going outside India for their higher studies, for their work and other things. So they have to know English. At that time, English had a snob value. Anyone who spoke English at that time, used to look with awe. Oh God, he knows English. But today, English is a natural natural language for everybody. Whenever you want to communicate other than your mother tongue, naturally your mother tongue occupies the first place, and I am very happy with the government that they are saying that till 5th or 7th the children will be educated in their mother tongue. Why should be not possible? It is possible. When we are well versed in our mother tongue, then only we drift towards the other language. Our children are going to other countries, and the only way or common way of communication over there is English. Whether you go to France, whether you go to Germany, whether you go to Italy, the platform or the main language in which they teach or they converse is English. 1/3 of the world is speaking English and understanding English. So when you have to converse with people knowing multiple languages, English is the most common one. I will give you a small example. My daughter has gone for her further studies through GMAT to the renowned European #1 college, ATC Paris. Now, she tried to learn French over here. To know the basics. Every country has a respect for its own language. So, when you go there, she says, when we go there and we start conversing in English, they don't pay attention because it is a common language. Every person from other countries is speaking that language. But when we say bonjour, mademoiselle, that means welcome, hello, hi, in French, you know they are so happy, they are so overwhelmed, they start speaking English then. Because the effort to know another language is something which everyone should do. So, apart from our mother tongue, even in our country, if you go to other sides of our country, we don't know Tamil, we don't know Telugu, we don't know Kannada, but we can converse in English. Maybe they are not very good in English, that side. They know their mother tongue. But when you speak English in tics or bits, and with a little bit of action, they come to understand. So what should we do? We should know what English is, what the language is, because it has become our necessity. We are having business all over the world, so we have to converse in English. We are going for higher education, so we have to converse in English, understand in English. We have to get a common platform, a platform on which we can relate ourselves, we can convey our ideas, we can interact, we can understand, we can make others understand what I am feeling. Language is not only a language of words or alphabets. Language can be expressed through your eyes, through your lips, and through your voice. But it needs a vehicle. Whatever your idea, whatever your emotions are in you, they need a vehicle to be conveyed. So, if you are in your country, you can converse in your mother tongue. You will be surprised to know that 3 generations of mine have been into English literature. But today, when I speak with my parents, I speak in Urdu. I am proud of it. If I speak in the city language with them, I think it's a very formal conversation going on. I speak in Urdu and I know Urdu and I am proud of it. Hindi is my second language, the city language, and of course, then I was taught English literature. In 1950s, my parents knew why English was needed. They got us educated in a convent school because at that time, English was gaining momentum, and to converse, to stand, and to express yourself, one must know another language except from the mother tongue. Now, all the English teachers over here, sitting over here, the child who comes from a rural background, I must say, they are not very well versed in this language, in English language. We should help them. We should try to encourage them to learn this language. Why? Because they need it now. Only Hindi won't help them. So, my children, when they come in BA Part 1, first of all, they need guts to take English, because there is a vast difference between the English of intermediate and the English of BA. And I appreciate them. They cannot talk in English. They do not understand pure English when we are teaching them. So I am telling you the basics. First of all, we explain to them in simple Hindi. Then I come to simple English. Then I come and make them write. This is how they understand, and then they gain momentum. Because children who are from the rural background, they are not very well versed in English language. So, the work of the teacher, I suggest everyone over here, the work of a teacher is to stoop down to your students, catch their hand, and then bring them up to your standard. And I am proud to say, by the time these children come into BA final or NA, they start talking and conversing in a very convenient way. So, if you scold them, if you discourage them, they will shy away. They will run away from that. So, we should, as I suggest, encourage these children, pamper these children, and bring to a level where they should be. So I won't be talking much about, because you must have been hearing from the last 1 week, why is English necessary. So in short, I will say that English is necessary today because it is the need of the hour. One can be a very good human being, but one has to convey his ideas. And to convey this idea or one's feelings, one has to get a language. And from your mother tongue, we should shift to another language. Someone was saying that English is like a stepmother. No, not at all. English not is a stepmother. English is the sister of my mother tongue. As we speak Hindi, we can speak English also, which is the need of the hour, because now English is needed for business, for higher education, and other needs of the day, which we are entering into. So, the children sitting at the back, never be afraid of English. And, to speak good English, one has to listen. Unless you listen to things, you can't speak. And to write good English, you have to read. You have to read a lot. Then only you can write good English. So this is the only mantra which I can give you. To speak well, you have to listen. And to write well, you have to read. So, my best wishes to everyone over here, and the values which you are inculcating in the children, apart from studies, is praiseworthy, and I wish good luck to everybody over here. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. You get our guest small clapping. What a beautiful relationship is presented by you, ma'am. Hindi. I just remember the words Mr. Robert Frost, great poet. The woods are only dark and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. And Heart Gently, it was translated by Srimati Mahadev Verma ji, sorry, Dr. Mahadev Verma ji. कहन सहन मनमोहक बनकर हमको आज बुलाते हैं, किंतु ये जो वायदे हमने याद हमें वो आते हैं। अभी कहाँ आराम बना यह मौन निमंत्रण चलना है, अरे अभी तो मीलों मुझको चलना है, मीलों मुझको चलना है। So a very beautiful and intimate relationship between Hindi and English presented by this great man. Now I request Mr. Satrughn Singh, our music teacher, to present your musical program, a song, a fire song before all of us. So let's enjoy the song presented by him.
এটা ছেলে বড় কাটটা
नहीं नहीं
হ্যাঁ ছেলে হ্যাঁ দাঁড়ালি नहीं आ रहा है
A lot of thanks to Mr. Satnam Singh. We are much overwhelmed and thrilled by this spiritual song.
If music be the food of love, play on. It's just proved by our colleague Mr. Satnam. Thank you so much for this musical arrangements. After that, I would like to invite respected Dr. Professor Mamta Gupta ji, our colleagues, please come and lit our path with the prestigious speech man. Welcome.
माँ सरस्वती को मेरा वंदन। Respected Mr. Nagendra Jaiswal, retired Joint Registrar, High Court, who is the President of this Assembly, Mr. Yugal Kishore Mishra, Principal of the College, Dr. Satyam Vada from CMP Degree College, Associate Professor, all the respected teachers present in this assembly, and the students sitting at the back. Now, it is a great honor, I think, for me as a teacher of English to promote this language, to talk something about the English language, because most of the time, I think we have been talking about Hindi. We observe Hindi Divas, but we do not observe English Day. And today I am feeling so happy that this college, this school has for a week been organizing various activities and programs to promote English language. What I want to say is that no language is of less importance. Every language has its place in this global world. But what is so very important about English? English is the language of communication. You go anywhere, in any part of the world, you see that you will be able to say what you want, to express what you want to say by using the English language. I want
नहीं
to
सही है
ask
अभी
you,
सही चल रहा है
हाँ सही।
is there any other language? communicate to others, then he has to learn English. Because it is globally accepted everywhere. And today in the 21st century, we see that English is connecting people to each other through the internet. It has become the language of internet. In higher education, and all these children sitting at the back, they will one day pursue higher education. In higher education, we find that all the good books are written in English. Today I see many people, they have to translate it from the English book to Hindi to convey the thoughts and to the students. And the students have to look up Google or the internet, search the internet to find more material. Research, you can take up research. You can see the corporate world. If you want to have a position in this world, be a successful person, I think English, knowing English is very important. Now, I just want to relate a small incident about myself. I belong to Allahabad, born and brought up in Allahabad, and educated in St. Mary's school. And I got a job at R. Kanya Degree College, which is basically a multimedia college. At that time, in 1989, I was, along with my principal, I was the only person knowing English. जैसे कॉलेज के अंदर हमने प्रवेश किया, people had that idea कि आज इंग्लिश की टीचर आएंगी और ये इंग्लिश पढ़ाएंगी, शो ऑफ कर रही है. That was the attitude that I could see. They did not welcome me, and I was feeling lost in the college because even if I tried to communicate with them, have a bonding with them, it was not possible. So slowly and slowly, I could found out that knowing English is not a snob. तो भी normally idea होता है कि जिसको जैसे आपको बड़ा snobbish होता है और proud feel करता है. But no, I also try to create a bonding with them. And today, I see that we are all a small unit of family at Bharatiya, learning from each other, irrespective of the language that one speaks. And I, on my part, I try to make a position. इस समय हम vice principal है college में. Whether you know French, whether you know German, what is most important is that feeling of bonding that should be created. So I request the teachers to teach the students the importance of English. Teach the students to write exactly. When a person writes, he understands, he remembers every word, and he cannot write unnecessary words. So, students, I want you to understand this language, read it, write it, and try to reach new heights in the world. Thank you.
Sound blessing. So thank you so much, ma'am. Thanks a lot. You just like our path, your needs, and to remove the misconception of telling people that the man who speaks English may be the victim of inferiority complex or behavior. Thank you so much. After that, I would like to invite Mr. Nagin Jaiswalde that is done. I the ending of this English week. Before ending of this week, the many program has been concluded by students on online and certificate was also presented here by students who have taken part. It is surprise to Prayagraj. Indeed, the time the city are suffering from COVID-19, but Galavali Vidya Mandir is organized the English week from 9 to 15, and many program has been concluded by in the guidance of English sessions and appreciated by respectable principal Mr. Yugal Kishore. And at that time, when nobody can be out of our home, but the teachers, which I say the Acharya, who give the education and sanskar to the student in any kind of way. I thank you that at the time of the Chief Justice, this is Satyabara Singhi, wife of Honorable Justice D.K. Singhi, and Associate Professor of CMP Degree College. Special guest are Srimati Mamta Gupta, Associate Professor of CMP of Kanya Degree College. हम सब जानते हैं कि आज अपनी मातृभाषा के अलावा दूसरी भाषाओं के सहारे हम अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर पहुंच सकते हैं। वह माध्यम है आंग्ल भाषा, अंग्रेजी भाषा। और आज पूरे विश्व में संवाद स्थापित करना हो, कोई भाषा अगर हमको सब साथ लेके चल सकते हैं तो अंग्रेजी भाषा। यहाँ पर अत्यधिक क्षमता, प्रतिभा, योग्यता को प्रदर्शित कर सकते हैं। और आज जिस प्रकार के स्थिति समाज में है, उसकी उपयोगिता पे आंग्ल भाषा ही, अंग्रेजी भाषा ही हम सबको आगे बढ़ा सकती है, प्रगति तक ला सकती है। आप सबने विभिन्न कार्यक्रमों के माध्यम से इस सप्ताह को मनाया, जिसके लिए माननीय प्रधानाचार्य आपके जो चीफ गेस्ट श्रीमती सत्यप्रदा सिंह जी, स्पेशल गेस्ट श्रीमती ममता जी ने अपना मूल्यवान समय आज निकाल के हम सबको अनुग्रहित किया है। हम उनको बार-बार धन्यवाद देते हैं।
We are much obliged to all the stage guests, and after that, I request Mr. Abhay Radiji to express It's inspiring a story. Please come and express your thoughts.
प्रेरक प्रसंग आज का।
भगवती भारती मंचस्थ मुख्य अतिथि प्रधानाचार्य जी एवं सब उपस्थित ज्येष्ठ श्रेष्ठ आचार्य बंधुगण एवं प्रिय भैया, आज मुझे मेरे प्रसंग बोलने के लिए आचार्य जी ने मुझे आमंत्रित किया है। तो मैं एक ऐतिहासिक सच्ची घटना के माध्यम से अपने प्रसंग को व्यक्त करूंगा और यह घटना ऐतिहासिक है, हर्ष के शासनकाल की घटना है, जिनके विषय में हम लोग जानते हैं कि प्रयाग में प्रति 12वें वर्ष वह 11 वर्ष जो होती थी सर्वस्व दान कर दिया। उनके इस प्रकार का जीवन उस भारत में बौद्ध धर्म का बहुत अधिक यहाँ के भिक्षुओं ने विदेशों तक फैलाया। चीन, जापान इत्यादि देशों में भी बौद्ध धर्म का प्रचार प्रसार बहुत अधिक बढ़ गया था। चीन के एक यात्री हैं शाम, जो बौद्ध भिक्षु थे, यानी उन्होंने बौद्ध धर्म में दीक्षा प्राप्त की थी और भारत को देखने के लिए बहुत लालायित, वह हर्ष के शासनकाल में भारत आए और भारत का भ्रमण किया। भ्रमण करते हुए वह